Hi, second graders. Miss Linder here. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. So today's science topic is cloud observation. Right before school is canceled, we talk about cloud observation. We went outside, I believe some of you, if you're in my class, to observe some clouds and draw some pictures. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the video below, right here. Click on that link, watch it. You're then going to look out your window, or if you can go outside, you observe the clouds you see. You're then going to draw a picture of the clouds. Then you'll predict if you will be able to play outside later based on the cloud observation. So if you see nice fluffy clouds like these cumulonimbus all through the sky, it's probably a good prediction that you can play outside later. If you see these clouds right here that look like some storm clouds, you're probably not going to be able to play outside later because it sounds like it's going to be storming. So make sure you watch the video, look at these pictures to determine what kind of clouds are outside. You're then going to write a paragraph about what you can do outside based on your cloud observations. So here's an example. There are no clouds in the sky, which sounds perfect. I can go outside and observe animals. I found a toad sitting in the sun on this day. So you can think maybe you have a little pool in your backyard, a little blow-up pool you can sit in. Maybe you have a swing you can swing on. Maybe you can go for a walk. There's lots of things you can do just depending on the clouds in the sky and what the weather is like. Also, when you're done, make sure you are sending your work to your teacher, whether it be an email, text message, class dojo, or parent square. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to any of the second grade teachers. We'll see you next time.